Peterson here, Goes to 11 Media, bringing another episode of Grounds for Divorce, and obviously joined by my lovely wife, Paula. How are you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Doing all right. It's been a real crazy day.
It has.
And it's 5 after 9 on a Saturday night. We're filming our coffee segment, which usually is done hours and hours and hours ago. It seems like we're getting later.
I know. What's up with that?
I don't know. I don't know. It's getting later though.
Yeah.
So it's been a long day.
Yeah. So, what's up with the Bite Me shirt?
Kind of sums up my mood.
I see.
No.
Yeah.
You know what? Yesterday had a really good time. Went in and saw our friends at Lucky Bug Lures. Lucky Bug makes incredible fishing lures, and everybody who knows me knows I love fishing.
Yes.
I was supposed to have gone fishing yesterday. I was pretty heartbroken when I didn't get to go.
Too bad.
Yeah, wow. Haven't been out for a long time. So anyways, stopped into Lucky Bug. Now what's exciting is the fact that Lucky Bug Lures is starting up their own coffee brand. Mm-hmm. They're going to be doing their own coffee roasting. And so Lucky Bug Lures is the actual lures, and they're going to call their coffee brand Lucky Mug. I love it.
It's neat.
I think it's really cool.
Pretty cool.
So I'm waiting for that. I'm excited about that. So Sophie and Robert, good luck to you guys on that, and we'd love to hear more. What have we got on tap today, so to speak?
Okay, well, the company is called Fernwood, and they are located in the south of Vancouver Island.
Oh, cool.
Victoria. Yeah.
We were sort of doing a little theme going off to the islands lately. We did
we have
Spring Islands.
And there'll be some more coming up.
Cool. All right. So what have we got here?
So we have an espresso. This is the 1976, I believe.
Okay.
And it is a dark, espresso roast. Mm-hmm. And then that is also a dark roast decaf, Mile Zero.
Wow, cool. I like the bags. They're kind of cool. Right?
Yeah, they're very classy looking.
Classy looking, right? Well done, guys. Well done. So you saw this, you were in shopping, and this one popped off the shelf of you?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, cool. Cool. All right, well, let's give it a go.
All right, so we'll start with the espresso.
Goodbye, sleep.
Well, thankfully, that one's decaf.
Is it? Oh, this one.
That one's
this
decaf.
One, decaf. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It's rich but not heavy.
Nope. Pretty even flavor.
Mm-hmm. Balanced.
It comes through right through the whole sample, right? Like it's got a bit of an edge to it, but it's not sharp. You know what I mean? So
flavor.
It's flavor,
There's
right?
Flavor in there.
So you can taste the roast to it. It's nice. Mm-hmm. It's good. Right on. All right, let's go with this one here. Now this one again, this is going to be what is it again?
Decaf.
Oh yeah, right up here. Decaf.
And it's a single origin.
Okay.
I think from Peru. I can't remember.
Good grief. Let's see.
Doesn't say.
It doesn't say. All right. I'm going to just sample it.
It is from Peru.
It is from Peru.
Swiss Water Processed. Mm-hmm. Yes.
That Swiss Water process is great, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Love it. I really do. It's really good. That's really nice.
It is. It has more of a citrus. Definitely more of a citrus. What?
You're holding the cup again.
Yes, because
I get one taste, two tastes, maybe.
I'm just trying to be neat. It tastes fresh. I don't want to say it tastes light because it's not a light.
It's very mild. It is very mild to me.
It has a definite citrus to it, for sure.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
And it's not bitter.
No, not at all. No, it's this is something that how would I describe it? You could drink this as we are tonight, but I mean it has a real nice, very mellow flavor to it. It's not harsh at all.
But I would say it's got flavor.
It's got flavor, absolutely.
Definitely.
It doesn't taste watery, if that's what you're saying, but it's not like that. But I mean, it's mild. It's not. This one here has a bit, as I said, it's got an edge, but it's not sharp. And this one's got a little bit more just neutrality to it to me, but it's got the flavor still.
Yeah.
Let's go in for the latte.
Okay.
Now tell us, what did you make the latte with today? I'm not even filling in the blanks. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not. But that's like fishing, eh? Oh, I got one on.
It's the 3.2% lactose-free neutral.
3.25, I thought it was.
What did I say?
3.2.
No,
See?
3.25.
You just said 3.2.
Oh, I thought I said 2.5.
See, this is how she messes with me every time. And then, as I said in the last episode, I go,
I don't even remember.
yeah, I know. And then I'll go 3.2, and you go, no, 3.25. Just saying. Oh, creamy goodness. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's really nice. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Shazam. I could slam that whole thing right now. I wish I could. I will be vibrating until 3 in the morning with no problems. I kind of want to get some sleep tonight. I'm tired.
Very.
Now, this is the decaf one here,
good.
right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's nice. Again, that whole flavor palette with that decaf, you could enjoy that in the evening time. Mm-hmm. It's not acidy. You know what I mean? There's not an acid note to it.
No, it's not acid. It has a tang to it, though. Mm-hmm. Like a definite. It's not overpowering. It's just it's there, and it's really nice. Mm-hmm. It's really different from a lot of the other coffees that we've tried.
Done a really good job.
I say this is one of the best decafs I've had.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. There's a few. I have a few on my list, but this is probably going to be on that list.
Getting up there. There you go. You heard it here first. All right. Well, listen. You know what? It's getting late. I still have more stuff to do. I have more stuff to film tonight yet. So,
and then edit. You'll be up till 3:30 again. I'll be asleep.
Put this aside for me.
Go
Take
for
it in a to-go cup. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. As usual, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, like the video. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the reminder bell, and then you won't miss any future content. Lots of great stuff coming up. Lots of great stuff. Not just the coffee stuff, but all kinds of other cool things. So stay tuned. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you next time.